scrambled egg. So, what you will need for this is for following watching. This is egg, this is milk, this is oil, and this is a frying pan. This is a spatula, this is a bowl. You will need all these things to make scrambled egg. First, get an egg and crack it. Next, you need to use a little bit of milk. I'll try not to spill it. Okay, now I need a fork. You can use a fork for this part or this. So I think I'll use this. So let's get a mixer and we're scared to mix it. Because you need scrambled egg to be nice and good for you, because it makes your bone nice and healthy. For this part, I want an adult to help me. Daddy, can you help me with this today? Daddy's turning on the oven and trying to put the oil in. I just need to wait until it warms up. So you can wait until it warms up and then I'll call you when I'm ready. And this one is ready. So you can still watch me while I'm waiting. Daddy, could you put the egg into there? My little boy. I am just cooking the egg. I'm mixing it all up because these are so yummy. But I'm very careful. I don't want to burn myself. So I'm going to be very careful. So there you go. We're finished today, and it's a good job you learned how to do scrambled egg, and I know how you know to make toast. So sometimes you can put it on toast, or you can eat scrambled egg in a bowl. That's what you want to do. Bye!